for 4 letters. By the sound of it, seed gives yield. Now, the surface reading of this clue suggests that a seed, that is, say, like a crop seed, will give us a yield. Will actually give us the crop after we've planted it. But are we sure that's the right kind of yield to be thinking about here in this clue? There are multiple ways of understanding the word yield. One of the other pieces is that we've got by the sound of it at the beginning. By the sound of it is our homophone indicator. By the sound of it, seed is, so there's going to be another word for seed which sounds like that but spelt differently, and that's going to give us another word for yield. And so instead of yield being like a crop yield, yield can also mean then to surrender or to cede, spelt C-E-D-E.